Hi, my name is Leticia Konigsberg. I work in the Communications and Community Relations Office at El Paso Corporation. And today on this beautiful Thursday, El Paso is the proud presenting sponsor for the American Red Cross's Preparedness on the Square event. We've got lots of friendly, smiling faces here helping out not only with the El Paso Corporation setup and the American Red Cross setup, but meeting and greeting and making sure everything's running smoothly. So thank you, El Paso volunteers.
Hello, we are giving away this nice American Red Cross radio, and in case there is an outing.
Hello. Good. Chicken, beef, and vegetarian.
What would you like today, dear?
Try the vegetarian.
So I'd like to now introduce Bruce Connery, who's a Vice President for Investor Relations at El Paso and also a board member for us at the Red Cross, to say a few words. Bruce?
Thank you. It's a privilege to be here. It's a privilege to be a partner with the Red Cross. You know, when we look at a crisis like a hurricane, we look first to the Red Cross. We're not looking for the state. We're not looking for FEMA. We're looking for where's the Red Cross. And it's really remarkable when you think about it, because this is a nonprofit organization and it's really run by volunteers. And so how all that comes about is really amazing. And it comes about with a lot of generous people with their time and their contributions. You know, El Paso is the sponsor of this because it's a part of our being the neighbor to have. And as we are the sponsor for Ready when the time comes, we're helping our employees, we're helping our neighbors, we're helping our communities, and it's our privilege to do that.
We're the food entertainment right here, buddy.
Hi, my name is Pat and I'm with the American Red Cross here in Houston, Texas, and this is our emergency communication response vehicle. What we do with this vehicle is we set up at disaster sites and we provide emergency communications and internet connectivity for the disaster workers that are working at the site.